AGLA is committed to serving the needs of today's middle market consumers and Main Street small business owners. That's not just something they say. It's backed up with innovative products that are specifically designed to meet the needs of the people they serve. AGLA Flex Term is the latest modern and affordable addition to the quality of life insurance family of products. The concept of AGLA Flex Term is a basic one. It offers customers the ability to cover multiple needs in an extremely affordable way, which is important in today's economy. Let's take a look at a hypothetical couple, Andrew and Jessica. Andrew is a small business owner, and Jessica is a CPA. They've just purchased a new home, and they have a one-year-old daughter, Morgan. They want to make sure their home mortgage, Morgan's college education fund, and Andrew's business are all protected if something happens. With the help of their AGLA agent, they've determined they need $500,000 each in total coverage, but their budget for life insurance is limited. AGLA Flex Term can be the perfect solution for them. Here's how it works. Andrew and Jessica each buy a $100,000 universal life policy, which gives them permanent protection. The purchase of a qualifying universal life policy allows them to apply for or allocate to someone else up to 5 times that amount in AGLA Flex Term coverage, in their case, $500,000 each. They can purchase additional coverage on themselves or allocate their AGLA Flex Term coverage to someone else. AGLA Flex Term premiums are much lower than universal life premiums and provide them with the temporary coverage they need, so their decision to combine their universal life and term coverage is a smart one. They can protect their family and meet their budget. And AGLA Flex Term offers customers additional savings with discounted policy fees. Let's see what Andrew and Jessica decide to do with their $500,000 of AGLA Flex Term coverage. First, we'll start with Andrew. He's covered for only $100,000 of permanent coverage, which won't take care of the house if something should happen to him. He uses $250,000 of his term allocation on himself to cover their 30-year home mortgage, saving $75 in annual policy fees. He applies for an additional 20-year, $100,000 AGLA Flex Term to protect his daughter's college education, saving an additional $75 in policy fees. Finally, he allocates $50,000 to his daughter Morgan, saving another $39 in the process. Jessica allocates her $500,000 in much the same way. She uses $250,000 on herself for mortgage protection, which saves $75 in annual policy fees. She uses a $100,000 20-year AGLA Flex Term the same way Andrew did to protect little Morgan's college education and save $75. Finally, Jessica also allocates $50,000 to Morgan for an additional savings of $39. In this example, Andrew and Jessica save a total of $378 in annual policy fees. This is an additional savings on top of the already very affordable premiums that AGLA Flex Term offers. Now remember, Andrew and Jessica each purchased a $100,000 policy, which means they could allocate up to 5 times that amount, or $500,000. After they've allocated what they wished, they each have $100,000 left over. Andrew decides to allocate his amount to his business partner Thomas as a 15-year AGLA Flex Term policy in order to protect a business loan. This saves Thomas $25 in annual policy fees. Jessica decides to save her $100,000 for use or allocation at a later date. She has 5 years to decide how to use her available AGLA Flex Term coverage. Another benefit to Andrew and Jessica is that they can convert their AGLA Flex Term policy to permanent coverage. In other words, since their term coverage is for 30 years, they have 80% of that time, 24 years, to decide to make the conversion. Finally, here's the real clincher for AGLA Flex Term. The base universal life policy, as well as the AGLA Flex Term policies, all include the AGLA Select Choice Accelerated Benefit Rider, providing protection against covered critical, chronic, and terminal illnesses or conditions. That's right, the Accelerated Benefit Rider feature that makes quality of life insurance so special and so appealing is included in every AGLA Flex Term policy. AGLA Flex Term is affordable life insurance, and it's also life insurance you don't have to die to use.